Hello, good evening, friends. I'm here to discuss my weight loss journey. First, my name is Jaskaran. I'm 21 years old. It's a short story, but I'll start with. As you all know, this year has been like a disaster for the whole world, and it was for me as well. Uh, in the period of lockdown, like I gained a lot of weight because I had no physical activity, and everything was going wrong. And actually everything was closed and nobody could go out. Then I was living with my friends. We used to drink, we used to eat a lot, and we used to party, and so I gained a lot of weight. One of my common friends, through my common friends, I met PushFit, and then there was no looking back. I met him, I told him about all my problems, like I had no stamina and everything, nothing at all. Then everything started, and for the start, I got a diet, and he helped me a lot. He took my weight and everything. The first time I came to PushFit, did all my measurements, my weight and everything, and after seeing that, I was shocked that like how unhealthy I am, how unhealthy my lifestyle is, and everything. Then he took all my measurements. Then we made a diet which was according to my taste actually. So honestly, I don't even know how I lost so much weight. It was like a spit of a second that I lost it. I think it's just because of the diet, the gym, and everything. Then we started gymming from the next day. Then I started my diet. I had to leave a lot of things. Like I have to change my whole schedule. We used to get up at 5 o'clock, go to the gym at 6, like which was completely different from my lifestyle. And yeah, like I started my weight from 108. Actually, now I'm 85, as you could see, and I've lost almost 20 kgs. I lost this much of weight in like almost 2.5 months, and I think which is unbelievable. I had like when my friends see me, because I never met my friends for like first 21 to 20 to 25 days, and after they saw me after 25 days, I was proud of myself. The way I was living, my lifestyle has completely changed in the past 2.5 months, and like I'm proud of it. And I want to thank only one person, whose name is Pushpit, and I think he's my guru and he has changed my life. Now this is not like a diet to me. I know how to like do it, like how it goes around, because you just need to take care of simple things. It's just about the lifestyle, your mindset and discipline. So I think it's not a big deal, and I'm happy. Thanks a lot, Pushpit.